Were there a time na you almost give up?
Oh my God.
Then if ever man na meron, parang how did you overcome those thoughts?
Going back to your earlier question, yung mga challenges na yan, ah, siyempre ang hirap nung gano'n na wala ka ngang tulog, tapos nagwo-work kami. Ang dami naming ginagawa. It's like having two plates and both plates were full, 'di ba? Kasi the personal and family life, sobrang busy. Tapos I was a full-time VA. Mark was also a full-time VA. Tapos we were building the company
Mhm.
from scratch. It was very difficult to manage our time. And binibilang ko talaga yon yung times of giving up ko. I counted that because I wanted to test myself. I wanted to see how far I can go. And during the first year, nasa mga 3 beses ko nang gustong mag-give up. Kasi ang hirap talaga eh. Ang hirap. Parang building a business, you need everything. Like mental, emotional, spiritual,
Lahat
physical.
'no, lahat ng
Lahat talaga.
forces
Gagana
na
talaga.
pwede mong tawagin
Yes.
lalabas.
And if I'm very lucky that I have Mark kasi kahit ganun siya kahirap, divided kasi yung tasks namin. So, kahit papaano, nagtutulungan kami kaya hindi ganun siya sobrang bigat.